Hi there, it's George here, and in today's video I will have to repot my mango tree. I have another young mango tree and it is beautiful, but I planted in a small pot and I have to repot it in a more large container like this one. So I just, when I try to water this mango tree, the soil dries very fast. Because that and the roots don't develop in this small pot, I decided to give a new house for this mango tree, like this one, this house, and it will grow beautifully in it. So just it's time to do repotting, and we'll see how it will grow. The roots I didn't see on the holes here, but anyway, let's do repotting, and the soil will not dry so fast like now. I'm gonna start. As you can see, the leaves are very small, like I planted in a small pot. But anyway, in my case, next it will grow large leaves. Let's start. Now I will have to water a little bit and I will get easy from the pot. Well, now I have to remove the pot from the mango tree. Let's do that. Well, in this container I have to add soil right now, and the soil is compost and mix it with potting soil from the market. It contains also sand and it is good for plants. Let's add here. A little bit I remove this soil and it will be better. And here is the root system. Well done, now just I will have to add soil around it and it will be okay. That's all, now I have to water it and then it will grow beautifully. Now we wait for an update and we'll see how it will grow. Well, it is on the windowsill here, this mango tree, and I will let it to grow here, or I don't know, I will move it to the grow light, on the grow light I mean. So just I will have to wait and see update, and yeah, thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel, and greetings from Moldova. See you next time. Bye bye, George was here.